Hi, Skeeter here. I'm trying to use a lot of my stamps up, and this one I just purchased a couple days ago, and I did a haul on it, and I think the images are so cute, so I decided to do a Valentine's card. So I hope you guys enjoy. I started by stamping two of the pandas, the two of them that are facing each other. So I stamped them using my Versify Onyx black ink, and the first time I stamped it I didn't like the way the image stamped, so I'm going to stamp it again. I'm sorry, I'm off camera, and this is much better. And now I'm going to cover the images with some clay embossing powder. Copic markers to just give my pandas a little color. To finish my coloring, I'm just going to cut my images out. They're super cute. So these are my two pandas cut out, and then for my card base I'm using some pink cardstock, and this is actually from Recollections, and then I'm using this Dear Lizzie Lucky Charm paper pad, and I chose this light pink. It's gonna go to the front of my card, but first I'm gonna frame it with some white cardstock. So then this is what my card looks like, and I'm gonna place my two little pandas in this heart like so, just smooching. They're too cute, and I'm just gonna glue them with my liquid glue. Then I stamped my sentiment and it on some pink cardstock again, and it says "Kiss Kiss I Love You," and it's from the same stamp set. And then I used this Martha Stewart punch because I just wanted the heart shapes from it. and it has hearts in different sizes. So I punched a bunch of them, also again in the bright pink, and I'm going to just arrange them in the front of my card and glue them down. Once my hearts are all glued to my card, this is what it looks like. Cute. I just love these little pandas. And then for the inside, I just have another heart shape, and I use this $1.50 stamp from Michaels. It says Happy Valentine's Day, and just added a little heart again on the large heart, and that's it for the inside. Then I use this Mr. Huey spray, and it's actually called Shine. And this one just adds glitter, not glitter, but shine to whatever you add it to. And usually the little dust is gathered in the bottom, so you just have to shake it to get it going. And all you need is just a little. When I say a little, I mean a little. And I'm just going to use a little from the cover. And if you can see, you see the shine? I thought that was so cool. This actually should be a spray, but I put it in this empty embossing powder bottle container, and I'm just gonna put a little on my little hearts, and that would be it for the front of the card. So this is what my card looks like once it's done. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.